Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Tesla. I have this option expiring here in about less than an hour. So looks like I made some pretty good money on this one. And wondering if I should roll it out to the next week. Earnings are October 20th, but the next expiration is complete before that date. Because October 8th it is currently. So, I'm trying to debate. Let's see what kind of premium we can get. What do you guys think? You think Tesla's going up? You think it's going down? I think $1,400 and as an outstanding amount of credit to get for Tesla at this level. Let's see if I roll it down by $500. What happens? Goes from 14 to 13 almost. 14 to... yeah. Okay, well, still pretty good. Still pretty good. If I go to 770, okay, a little less, 1,000. Still over $1,000. That's pretty good. Let me see if I can go lower. See how low I can go before I hit 1,000. Before it's not 1,000. All right, so right there is the sweet spot I want to shoot for. I'm going to say 765 is what I want to aim for. So I'm doing a little bit of a diagonal, taking some risk off the table in case Tesla plummets like it can normally, right? It can go up or down $20 a day, seems like. So it could easily do that within a week. All right, but $1,000, that's pretty good premium. If I do that enough, I could pay for the stock. What do you guys think? What do you think I should do? Think I should take it? I'm going to roll it. Let me roll the dice one more week. Okay, I just had to wait like 30 seconds and the thing got filled at 1061. So, let's go back and check out that position. Alright guys, here's the position in Tesla. Expires on the monthly, October 15th. Now, Tesla does seem to go down a little in the monthly expiration, so I do expect it to go down. And I might have to roll this out another week into earnings, and that would suck. But that's okay. We'll see what happens. I like Tesla at this level, and I think it's going back to $800, $900 real soon by the end of the year. With a long-term price target of $1,500 in the next couple years, and then $2,500, and then to the moon, of course. Where else would Tesla go? Where would they go next? All right, guys. Be sure you guys subscribe. And thanks for watching.